everybody, it's Saturday, and I've decided to put the front windshield down, which I've never done before. And I gotta be honest, you need to be wearing sunglasses or some eye protection if you're gonna cruise around with the front windshield down. It really wasn't that hard. There was a bolt here and here and there and there, and then two, you can imagine where when the windshield goes up, there was a little bolt here and here, and then the windshield just folds right in. Well, oh yeah, you gotta like adjust, pop those latches up. And I've, with this footman's loop right here, I've got a little canvas strap that's holding the windshield down, but it's a cool driving experience. I like to think of those guys back in the day driving around with that front windshield down. It's been pretty cool. So I hope everybody is having an awesome Memorial Day. Memorial Day weekend, I guess I should say. Hope you enjoyed this video.